What's up YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitzy, and first I must say before I introduce my recipe this today, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. And today I'm gonna make one of my mother's favorite recipe, which I present to you, brown stew fish. Today we are use some red snapper and we're gonna do a brown stew fish. Alright? So stay tuned while I show you how to brown stew your fish.
Hey, don't what?
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, welcome back. So here I have 4 nice red snapper which I cleaned up earlier on, ready to season. Yeah? So here are some of our fresh season from the garden. Alright, we have some white chopped onion, we have some red tomato, we have the bell pepper, red, green and yellow. We have some carrot, we have some okra we chop up too. We have some other Irish potato, green onion, scallion and the scotch bonnet. Here we mix up some of our dry ingredients, which is some all-purpose, some salt and some black pepper. Alright, so we're going to use this nicely to season up our fish. And we're going to ensure that we rub these in nicely, yeah, because you want your fish to be well coated and taste nice. And remember, when you season your fish, if you have a fish like this, ensure that you take your time when you're going in, because you don't want to get joke. Ensure that you go inside the fish to ensure that they're nicely coated. The reason why you're going with your dry season only, you don't want, when you're cooking your fish, your green season, which would be your onion and all those stuff, burning in the pot like that. So you're going with your dry season only. Right? A lot of people question me why I only use dry season when I season up my fish like this. It's better for you to go in with the dry season, where it's easier for you, like when you're gonna fry it and then you cook it down. It's easier for you, so you can add your fresh onion and all those things afterwards. We still not gonna leave them out, you know. Not gonna leave them out. Alright, so ensure that you season up the entire fish nicely coated, and you're going to leave that to marinate for about half an hour to an hour. Alright, so here we have our pot that we heated. We put a scotch bonnet pepper, also a cube of garlic inside, just to get the flavor from it. Alright, so we wait until our pot is kind of extremely hot before we put in our fish, because we don't want it to stick to the bottom. Alright, so over here we have our fish that is marinated for the last hour. Right, we're going to place them into the pot now. Right. So we're trying not to overflow the pot, so we're going to put in water. Right. So we're going to allow those fish to fry. The first supposed to take about 10 minutes to fry, so within the first 5 minutes we're going to turn it, and then we basically go through the procedure with the rest of it. Alright, so we allow our fish to fry. So we're going to go in and make our first turn after the first 5 minutes. This is the texture that we're looking for. Ensure that our fish properly fried and dry on both sides. Alright, so that's the texture we're looking for. So now our fish is properly fried. We're going to remove it nicely. Well fried, so we can remove it nicely. Alright, we're going to put it on a piece of paper like that. Alright, so all our fish is finished fried. Now we're gonna start sauteing some of our vegetables. Alright? I pour off about 80% of the oil that we use. I'm using 20% right now. Alright, we're using the same oil that we use to fry our fish. Alright, so now we're gonna put in all our potatoes first, because those are the ones that is harder to cook. Even though the yellow potato is easier to cook than the white one, we're putting them first. So we're gonna start working them. Right? Right, so we'll kind of saute them first. Then we put in our carrots. And saute them nicely. Right? Then we go in with our white onions. Right, so just have this kind of saute for about a minute or two, and then we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so here we have the bowl that we season the fish in. We add about quarter cup of water to it. We're going to add it to our pot nicely. Alright, so we're going to allow that to come to a boil, and then we add the rest of seasoning. So after it comes to a boil now, we are going to add a few more ingredients. Now we're going to add about 3 teaspoons of ketchup, right? Because this is what's going to give it the flavor, yeah? 3 teaspoons of ketchup. You can use Grace ketchup or any of the ketchup that you have. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of soy sauce, just to give it a nice little kick. Alright, so we're going to allow that to come to a boil for about 2 to 3 minutes before we add our rest of vegetables. Alright, so now we are going to add some crushed pimento seed, just to bring out the flavor, and also some quarter teaspoon of all-purpose, just for taste. Alright, as you can see how nice it looks. Alright, we're going to add our bell pepper, our okra, our rest of scallion and thyme to it. All of it, alright? We're going to mix around this nicely. Alright, look at our sauce, how beautiful it is, yeah? We're going to go back in with all of our fish now, right? And place them like this. All of them. Right, set them up nicely. You can able to Alright, so we're going to allow that to come to a boil for another 2 minutes, and then our fish will be ready. Alright, so look how beautiful the fish is now. Try to fit all of them in. Yeah man, this is your brown stew fish. Jamaican way of preparing brown stew fish. Alright, hope you guys love this recipe. Alright, I'm going to share it out nicely and let this guy see it on a plate. And there you have it guys, Jamaican brown stew fish. Serve with some nice rice and peas and some saltfish buljo with ripe fried plantain. Look at how beautiful it is guys. Look at how beautiful it is. Yeah man. First I must say happy Mother's Day again to my mom and to all the mothers out there. Hope you guys enjoy this Sunday and continue watch my show. Chef Fitzroy. Need him on YouTube. Chef Fitzroy. On Instagram. And also on Facebook. Alright? Enjoy another day. I'm out.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread